If you receive download files through non-Ivans methods, you may be able to set a file association on those files. What this means is that you can simply double-click the files rather than dragging and dropping them onto the Easy Download Manager icon. In order to be able to set a file association, the files coming down from the carrier must have a consistent extension. A good example is Progressive, who will typically send down files that have the AL3 extension. They will be named direct001.al3 or direct002.al3, for instance. On the other hand, a carrier sending through Teamup may send down files that have a changing extension, such as teamup.001 and teamup.002. The nature of the changing extension prevents you from setting a file association, and you will need to simply drop these files on the Easy Download Manager or use the Download Center to process. Review the non-Ivans download processing for more detailed instructions on these options. So let's set the file association for our Progressive files. We will right-click the AL3 file in the Downloads folder and choose Open With. You may have to click on More Apps, then browse to your program's AL3 folder and select the program labeled al3reader.exe. This will immediately process the file, and you will see that the icons on your other AL3 files will change to a blue triangle. Now you can simply double-click these files to process these into Suspense. Don't forget to close the Suspense Manager in between.